Good morning everyone present here. I am Snehala Deshude. I would like to my warmest wishes to you for new beginning of our new academic year. I am talking about the new academic year of a new section of this chapter means a lot of challenges. That this lot of challenges will be overcome, hence to give a more strategy for complete these challenges. As a teacher, I strongly believe that these challenges will be given possible when every student is a different and unique. Hence, never compare yourself to anyone. Always keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Then I wish that 2021 lot of brightness in your life. Then welcome learners for the Dr. Khatri Mahavidyalaya, Tupum, Chandrapur for Gondwana University, Gadchiroli of Mathematics Department. For the academic year 2021 to 22. Then after that, I teaching about the Mathematics Department of MSc semester 3rd for the paper of Mathematical Method for the course code contained as a PSC MT 13 and credit will be contained as a 5. Then after that, I will be given as a content, only as a content you studies about the all the form of a Fourier series will be first unit contain as a Fourier transform, second unit contain as a finite Fourier transform, third unit contain as a Laplace transform, and after that they will be contained as a Hankel's transform and the Mellin transform. These two forms, that is a Hankel transform and Mellin transform, is a fourth unit of your chapter. Then give the objective of this chapter will be Fourier transform contain as a basically this mathematical method is directly depend on the transform form. Then first unit is depend on the Fourier transform. Then that first unit will be contained as a all introduction of the Fourier transform, then classes of the function, then Fourier series, all of the form, change of a scale properties, modulation theorem. Most important form of this content will be Fourier transform. Then after that, this is be all the unit first. Next, second objective will be given as a unit second, that is a finite Fourier transform. This is same as a Fourier transform, but it will be contained as a finite Fourier transform. Same as a introduction, finite Fourier cosine sine method will be introduction on this form. Then relation between finite Fourier transform of the derivative of the function and contain as a more of this form, that is the application of finite Fourier and the boundary value of that form. Then after that, third unit will be contained as an objective the Laplace transform. Laplace transform is a different form of the Fourier transform. They will be given as a their introduction, their definition, sufficient condition for the existence of the Laplace transform, linearity property of a Laplace transform. All of the form will be contained, that is a convolution of the two functions of and their appliances, inverse Laplace form and their application. All of this method will be contained as a unit third, and last unit will be contained as a two parts that will be show that is their objective is the first is a Hankel transform. In a Hankel transform, give the introduction, then Hankel transform, elementary properties, inversion formula for the Hankel transform, the perseveral relation for the Hankel transform, and their example of the Hankel transform. In this unit, second part will be given as the Mellin transform. Mellin transform give the introduction, their definition of Mellin transform of their derivatives. All of this will be contain some of the example of the transform. This will be the all detailed information of your syllabus of Mathematics Department of MSc second year in the semester 3rd. All detailed information of syllabus will be given. Thank you so much for your introduction of the syllabus. After that, give as a textbook for their syllabus and Introduction to the Integral Transform is the best textbook to give all detailed information about the mathematical method. This is the first edition, will be contained as a 2018. All detailed information, introduction to the form of that method. Then after that reference you will be given. Thank you so much.